Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for business license Bahamas step by step. Begin by choosing a clear business structure and checking name availability. Gather personal ID, proof of address, and any trade permits required. Verify zoning approvals for your chosen location. Determine if special approvals or inspections are needed. Calculate fees and expected timelines, and prepare electronic and paper copies to streamline submission, keeping communication friendly and efficient throughout the process. In this video, I will explain how to apply for business license Bahamas step by step. Fill out the official application form carefully, selecting the correct business category and activity descriptions. Attach certified copies of ID, proof of address, lease or property documents, and any professional certificates. Sign where required and have witnesses if necessary. Submit payment through accepted channels and keep a digital and paper receipt. Track your application and follow up if additional information is requested by officials. In this video, I will explain how to apply for business license Bahamas step by step. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support future guides. Quick recommendation: on another note, I love these socks. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other deals. Your support helps me make more videos. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to apply for business license Bahamas step by step. After submission, monitor the application portal or contact the licensing office for status updates and answer any requests quickly. Prepare your premises for inspections and have documentation ready for officers. Once approved, display your license as required and file digital backups. Set calendar reminders for renewals, fees, and compliance checks to avoid penalties, and keep operations running smoothly and confidently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.